Welcome again friends in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about utility and different types of utility. Utility is an economic term introduced by Daniel Bernoulli referring to the total satisfaction received by a person from consuming a good or service. Utility is the want satisfying power of any commodity or capacity of a commodity to give satisfaction. Goods or services that have utility for one person may not have utility for another person, and what may have utility for one person at a certain place or time may not have utility at another place or time for the same person. The numbers used to measure utility, often in a unit called the util, is useful only for comparison. If the utility given by one thing is 100 and the utility given by another is 12,000, we can only say that the utility of the latter is greater. We could not say that the individual gets 120 times more utility from this option because utility is not a quantity. Furthermore, the sign of utility may be positive or negative, with no effects on its interpretation. If one option gives -15 utility and another option gives -12, selecting the second one can only be interpreted as the better option. Now we will discuss about types of utility. There are 4 types of utility: form utility, place utility, time utility, and possession utility. Form utility. Form utility is created by the design of the product or service itself. The more specifically a good or service is targeted towards customers' needs and desires, the higher it demanded in the market. To do this, companies analyze their targeted markets and survey potential customers to find out their actual needs and then produce the product with that feature what customer wants. Place utility. Place utility can be obtained through the process of making a good or service more easily available to the potential customers. The easier it is to purchase a product for the customer, the more attractive it becomes. Thus, place utility has a lot to do with distribution channels and the physical location at which goods and services are sold. Economists say that even things like the discoverability of the product on the internet through search engine optimization has an effect on place utility. After all, a wide variety of goods and services can be bought online these days. Time utility. Time utility is created by providing easy availability of a good or service at a time when customers need or want it. The more easily and quickly a product can be purchased and used at that time, the higher its perceived time utility is. In addition to that, time utility is always high in times of scarcity. Hence, a company's supply chain management has a significant impact on time utility. Among others, this includes process such as logistics and delivery as well as storage. Companies are constantly improving their supply chain management, which has led to services such as same-day delivery and 24/7 availability. Possession utility. Possession utility describes the benefit that can be derived from owning and using a specific product. Generally speaking, the more useful a product is to an individual, the higher its possession utility will be. In some cases, especially according to the marketing theory, the term possession utility is also used in the context of facilitating possession, that is, through easy payment methods such as credit cards or leasing contracts. The reason behind this is that a simpler acquisition process usually leads to a higher perceived value of a good or service. Thank you friends for visiting my channel. If you like this video, please comment and don't forget to hit the like button. Do share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Visit again.